Hello, my name is William Charlton. I was the original founding director of NSSPI. I was a professor here at Texas A&M University from 2003 until 2015. In 2015, in June 2015, I left Texas A&M University to take a position in Nebraska at the National Strategic Research Institute, which is a university-affiliated research center for U.S. Strategic Command. At that time, I resigned as the NSSPI director and moved on to being the research director for NSRI. But I have the distinct pleasure of being the first founding NSSPI director and being intimately involved in the initial formation of NSSPI as an institute. When we first formed NSSPI, we began NSSPI as an institute that was focused on nuclear nonproliferation, combining technical and policy solutions. We did this because as a career that I had in the national laboratories, I discovered that in general, academics from the technical backgrounds were really not heavily involved in the nonproliferation area. If they were typically involved sort of as on the side, not typically focused specifically in the nonproliferation field. The policy academics and history academics had been involved in nonproliferation for quite some time, but the technical academics had largely not. And we felt that we really needed an institute like NSSPI that could actually focus the technical academics on these very technical problems that also happen to have a policy implication. And so we formed NSSPI as an entity to do that, and many of the federal agencies really appreciated the objective of NSSPI as an organization. I was really proud to be able to be the first founding director and founding it along with a number of other really key people like Dr. Pete Miller, Dr. Lee Petticord, and Dr. Dave Boyle, who were all also here at Texas A&M University at the time when we did that. Since then, NSSPI flourished as an institute, and I'm really proud that it's been able to go on with its second director, Dr. Sunil Chirioff, and that I was able to leave behind the sustainable legacy of NSSPI here that has had a huge impact on the nonproliferation community, both in terms of technology development, as well as, and probably even more so, in terms of the human capital development. The number of students who have been produced through NSSPI is rather remarkable. And I'm really happy to see it moving on forward into the next 10 years, and I really look forward to continued success for NSSPI well into the next 20 or 30 years.